Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. And before we dive in, I know the first thing most people ask themselves when they hear about an opportunity is, who is this person and why should I be listening to them? That's a fair question. So let me give you the short version of my story. My name is Will Zanders, and I'm just a guy from New Orleans, Louisiana, who did everything the so-called right way. I stayed out of trouble most of the time. I graduated from high school, college, and somehow I even graduated from law school. And on paper, it looked like I was on track for success. But the reality was very, very different. After all that effort, all those years, I ended up in a dead-end job, divorced, barely making ends meet in a small apartment in Denham Springs, Louisiana. I had the degrees, I had the work ethic, but I didn't have freedom. And deep down, I knew that there was more to life, but I didn't see the path. I had never been taught success principles before, and quite honestly, had never been given an opportunity to engage in a business of this type. But then everything changed. A friend of mine introduced me to the concept of network marketing. I came across a simple video and something a lot like what you're watching right now. And in that moment, when I got that information, everything clicked. I knew that this was something I could do. I made a decision, and within 6 months, I had triggered a six-figure income for the first time in my life. That decision changed the entire trajectory of my life, my friends, my family, and thousands of acquaintances over the years. Now, I've been happily unemployed for a very long time now, and along the way, I've made millions of dollars, I've built teams around the world, and what I'm most proud of, by the grace of God, I've helped over 100 people create 5, 6, and even 7-figure incomes, working part-time. Now, what started as a leap of faith became a life of freedom. And here's the best part. This is not just my story. I've proven to myself and to thousands of others that freedom is possible when you have the right company at the right time, the right system, and the right team. And that's why I'm here. I'm here to show you that if it worked for me, it can absolutely work for you. Now, most people, again, when they see an opportunity like this, they ask two things. One, what is it? And two, can I do it? So let's make this simple. Right now, families are struggling in two areas. The area of health, it's definitely under attack with stress, toxins, harmful prescription drugs, poor nutrition, and so much more. And money's under attack, right? Inflation, layoffs, side hustles that don't last, okay? We built something to address both problems at the same time. We offer over 100 absolutely incredible plant-based wellness products, everything from black seed oil, deodorant, detergent, soap, skincare, even GLP-1 metabolic support to help with weight loss, essential oils, and so much more. We not only have luxury items, we also have products that people use daily. Families don't have to spend more money, they just spend smarter, all right? We have a step-by-step system that anybody can plug into. You can follow the roadmap we teach, or you can try to build it on your own. The choice is yours. But we've proven time and time again, day after day, year after year, dollar after dollar, that this system duplicates and it creates freedom. Since 2019, our organization has helped create over 100 5, 6, and 7-figure earners, and these are everyday people. Moms, dads, veterans, teachers, parents, who followed the system and built real results. Listen, if it worked for them, it can work for you. I've seen it happen too many times to think anything else. The wellness industry is absolutely exploding. It's projected to be a $1 trillion market, a multi-trillion dollar market, in fact. And the pandemic just made the wellness industry grow even more. And companies like ours are at the front of that wave, okay? Being positioned early matters, just like it did with Amazon, just like it did with Uber, Netflix, Apple, or even Bitcoin. Timing is everything. Now, you're not doing this alone. We have one of the most supportive cultures in the industry for sure. Live trainings, accountability groups, product trainings, recognition events, leadership development. You don't have to know how to do this. We will teach you everything you need to know in training. This isn't just a business. It's not just a business. It's a family movement. Okay? This isn't about just money or just about products. It's really about choices, specifically your choices. Maybe you want to pay off debt. Maybe you're tired of seeing people on the Travel Channel and you want to be the people vacationing on the Travel Channel. Maybe you want to retire your spouse. Maybe you want to retire you. Or maybe, like when I first got started, you just wanted some breathing room so you could pay the bills, eliminate some debt, and figure out what you want to do with your life moving forward. Whatever your vision is, this business is a vehicle that can help you get there. Now, to get started, all you do is pick out a few products that you actually use. Okay? Pick stuff that you actually going to use. There's no massive investment. There's no inventory stacked in your garage. There's just everyday products that improve your health and give you a business that can pay you daily. Okay? So the real question is, if you continue to do what you've been doing for the last 5 years, if you continue to do that for the next 5 years, where will you be? Another way to phrase that is, do you want to keep doing what you've been doing, or do you want to plug into a proven system that's already creating success stories every day? If you're ready, we will lock arms, we will teach you everything you need to know, and we will show you step by step, sequentially, how to do it. Okay, here's what I know. When I first saw a video like this, I made one simple move. I got back in touch with the person who sent me the video, the person who shared it with me, and decided to get started. That decision changed my life forever. Again, within 6 months, I have triggered a six-figure income. And today, I've got over 1 million reasons why I know it was the right move. Now it's your turn. Don't overthink this. Get back in touch with the person who sent you this video and let them know if you're ready to take a closer look, what questions you have, they can get answered for you before you get started. The timing is perfect, the products work, the system is proven, and the next success story could be yours. Thank you for your time.